Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to see your Twitter or X metrics on PC. First, open up your Twitter account, click on Profile, then click on Edit Profile, click on Switch to Professional, click on Agree and Continue. Write here a little description about yourself, then click on Next. Select any category you want and click on Next. Keep the account type to Business, then click on Next. And from here, you can see your profile analytics. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.